Representing the Wall 19, sponsored by SK Chairman CJ Pasaon.
Number 5, we have Bella James. Is 19 years old. Measures the day 26, 24, and 26. She is from Corong Ocho, a barangay Linao. Her mountain life is, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. It's candidate number 5. Are you ready? What experience in your life do you believe to make you the best? This is now. Again, what experience in your life do you believe to make you the best? This is Lina.
Thank you. Experiencing being far away from my parents, I became a pillar for myself and my sisters as well. I believe that this experience brings out the courage within me and builds a strong foundation of my principles, and that makes me the best Miss Linao. Thank you.
Thank